Let's చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఫైండ్ టేలర్స్ సిరీస్ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ఆఫ్ f of z is equal to log z about z is equal to 1. When the moment you observe the function, you have to identify either it is standard function or either it can be resolved to partial fractions. You have to observe. So f of z is equal to log z. Is it resolvable to partial fractions? No, it cannot be resolved into partial fractions. So which method we have to apply? First method. So this is the type 1 problem because log z is a standard function. Log z is a standard function and it can be easily differentiable. Log z can be easily differentiable. And here about z is equal to 1. So log z is a standard function and easily differentiable. Therefore we apply the theorem, Taylor's theorem. So what is the Taylor's theorem? Here given f of z is equal to log z and z is equal to a, that is equal to 1. Okay, so Taylor's theorem is f of z is equal to f of a plus z minus a whole power 1 by 1 factorial into f dash a plus z minus a whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash a plus z minus a whole cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash a plus so on z minus a whole power n by n factorial into f to the power of n a plus so on. So at least you have to write at least 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. At least 4 terms you have to write. That means at least you have to find f of a, f dash a, f double dash a, f triple dash a. Up to f triple dash a you have to find for this type of problems. Now what is in the place of a here? 1. So if it is 2, you have to write 2. Here it is 1. So in the place of a, we have to substitute 1. F of 1 plus z minus 1. Where is a? At the place of a, we have to substitute 1 only. Okay. F of 1 plus z minus 1 whole power 1 by 1 factorial into f dash 1 plus z minus 1 whole square by 2 factorial into f double dash 1. So ఎక్కడైతే a ఉందో ఆ ప్లేస్ లో మనం 1 ని రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి అంతే. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ అవర్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్? We have to find here given f of z. So first you have to find f dash z, then f double dash z, and then f triple dash z, so on. Okay, and in the places of z we have to write 1. We will get all these values, f dash 1, f of 1, f dash 1, f double dash 1, f triple dash 1, so on. So we have to substitute all these values in equation number 1. We get the expansion of the Taylor series. Okay, clear? Let's see here. Here given f of z is equal to log z. So we have to find f of 1. So here only I am finding f of 1. So in the place of z, if we put 1 on both sides, f of 1 is equal to log 1. Log 1 value is 0. F dash z, that means you have to differentiate with respect to z on both sides of this equation. F dash z is equal to log z. What is the differentiation of log? 1 by. So log z is there, therefore 1 by z. So here both sides we have to put 1 because z is equal to 1. We have to find about z is equal to 1. So f dash 1, that is equal to 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. F double dash z. Now observe here, f double dash z is minus 1 by z square. How do we get this one? So we know that if f of x is equal to 1 by x power n, then we know that f dash x is equal to minus n by x to the power n plus 1. Minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. So here 1 by z is there. So in the place of z, in the place of n, what is there? 1. So minus 1 by z to the power of 1 plus 1. In the place of n, 1 is there here. So formula, according to the formula, minus 1 by, okay, minus 1 by minus n, minus 1 by z power 1 plus 1, z power 1 plus 1 z square. F triple dash z is equal to 1 by z square. 1 by z square differentiation. 1 by z square differentiation means in the place of n, what is there? 2. So minus 2 by z power 2 plus 1. Minus 2 by z power 2 plus 1. Minus 2 by z power 2 plus 1 is z cube. Minus 2 by z cube. Minus 2 by z cube is f triple dash z, but already minus is there, so minus into minus plus, so 2 by z cube. Okay na, 1 by z square differentiation is minus 2 by z cube, but already minus is there, therefore minus into minus plus 2 by z cube. And f4z, so here z is equal to 3, so minus 3 by, okay, minus 3 by z power 3 plus 1, minus 3 by z power 4, minus 3 by z power 4, already 2 is there, so 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6. So here if you observe, here 1 is there, here 2 is there, 2 factorial, here 2 into 3, that means 3 factorial. So the next term we will get plus of 2 into 3 into 4, 2 into 3 into 4, that means 4 factorial. So on continuing this process, what we get for the nth derivative, please observe that. సో ఇక్కడ డాష్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చిందండి మనకి 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ బై z పవర్ 1 వచ్చింది, అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 సరిపోయింది. ఓకే, ఎఫ్ డబుల్ డాష్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ 2, ఇక్కడ 2 సరిపోయింది. ఓకే, z స్క్వేర్. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి మైనస్ వచ్చింది, మళ్ళీ 1 వచ్చింది, అంటే ఇది 0 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, ఇది 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, ఇది 0 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, ఇది 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, ఇది 0 అంటే 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి 0 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి 0, 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, 3 ఉంటే 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, 4 ఉంటే 3 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న దానికి ఇక్కడ ఒకటి తగ్గుతుంది, అంటే n ఉంటే n-1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, n ఉంది కాబట్టి n-1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, n ఉంది కాబట్టి n-1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. డినామినేటర్ రబ్ చేస్తే 1 z పవర్ 1, 2 z స్క్వేర్, 3 z క్యూబ్, 4 z పవర్ 4, n z పవర్ n z పవర్. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ వస్తుంది, సో ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి -1 హోల్ పవర్ n. ఓకే, క్లియర్. సో f పవర్ nz is equal to -1 whole power n into n-1 factorial by z power n. This is our nth order derivative. Okay, the nth order derivative of log z is -1 whole power n into n-1 factorial by z power n. వీటిల్లో మనం z ప్లస్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి, 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి, సో చూడండి f డాష్ z అంటే 1/1, therefore 1, f డబుల్ డాష్ z అంటే -1/1 స్క్వేర్ అంటే -1, f ట్రిపుల్ డాష్ z అంటే 2 by z క్యూబ్ అంటే 2/1 క్యూబ్ అంటే 2, f4 డాష్ z అంటే -6/1 to the power of 4 అంటే -6. Okay, so like this we get all the values and we have to substitute all those values in the Taylor's theorem. Okay, in the equation number 1. సో చూడండి, ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్నిటిని కూడా మనం టేలర్స్ థీరంలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే f(1) దగ్గర స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా, f(1) అంటే ఎంత 0, f(1) ప్లస్ z-1 హోల్ పవర్ 1/1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఇంటూ f డబుల్ డాష్ 1, సారీ f డాష్ 1 అంటే ఎంత వచ్చింది 1, ప్లస్ z-1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ ఇంటూ, ఓకే, f డబుల్ డాష్ అంటే -1, plus z-1 whole cube by 3 factorial into f triple dash అంటే 2, plus z-1 whole power 4/4 factorial into f fourth dash అంటే -6, plus so on z-1 whole power n by n factorial into f power n z, f power n z అంటే ఎంత ఇది, సో f power n of 1 అంటే -1 whole power n into n-1 factorial plus so on. Okay, so this is what our Taylor's series expansion of log z. Clear? So these are the type 1 problems. So in type 1 problems, standard function is given. When standard function is given, we have to apply this formula only. So first we have to differentiate the function and substitute what is given in the place of a. So if a is 1, we have to find f of 1, f dash 1, f double dash 1. If a is 2, we have to find f of 2, f dash 2, f double dash 2, like that. If a is 3, f of 3, f dash 3, f double dash 3, f triple dash 3, like that. Okay, so about z is equal to a, in the place of a what number is given, we have to substitute that number in the place of a and we have to find the derivatives 1/1. Clear? These are the type 1 problems.